Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Sea cucumber is a truly unique ingredient, prized in many cultures for its distinct texture and impressive health benefits. Properly preparing it transforms this ocean delicacy into a culinary star, promising a dining experience unlike any other. We'll guide you through the essential steps, from rehydration to cooking, ensuring you achieve a delicious and rewarding result. Get ready to unlock the secrets to mastering this extraordinary and intriguing seafood. The most crucial step in preparing dried sea cucumber is proper rehydration, which revitalizes its texture. This process can take several days, but it's absolutely vital for achieving the desired gelatinous consistency. Begin by soaking it in fresh, clean water for 24 to 48 hours, changing the water frequently to keep it fresh. Then, boil it gently until it feels soft and gelatinous throughout, letting it cool completely in its cooking liquid. After thorough rehydration, a quick clean and precise slice will prepare your sea cucumber for cooking. Carefully clean it by removing any small internal membranes or debris, ensuring a pristine bite. Then, slice it into uniform, bite-sized pieces, typically thin strips or small cubes, perfect for absorbing all the delicious flavors. The texture should now be soft yet firm, ready to embrace your chosen sauce or aromatic broth, promising a delightful culinary journey. Sea cucumber truly shines in dishes like slow braises, vibrant stir-fries, and comforting soups, absorbing all the rich flavors around it. Braising with aromatic ingredients like shiitake mushrooms, fresh ginger, and savory soy sauce is a timeless, classic approach. It also excels in quick stir-fries, soaking up the zest of garlic and bright green onions. For incredible depth, pair it with robust broths, luxurious abalone sauce, or a delicate, umami-rich oyster sauce. Serve your perfectly cooked sea cucumber dish immediately to fully appreciate its unique texture and the deeply absorbed flavors. Present it hot, perhaps garnished simply with fresh herbs like fragrant cilantro or crisp spring onions, adding a beautiful visual touch. Its subtle ocean taste and wonderfully gelatinous texture provide a truly unique and memorable eating experience for everyone. You've skillfully transformed a raw ingredient into a luxurious, healthy, and deeply satisfying meal, truly a masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.